Here comes a concrete mixer. The truck is tough. It hauls a heavy load. Dean drives. He sits in the cab. See the drum? It spins. The drum has a blade. It stirs water and sand. Now the drum spins the other way when the blade pushes out the mix. Here is a slide called a chute. It is on the back of the truck. Lee holds the chute. The wet mix falls out. It will make a wall. The wall is done. Nice job. The end. Okay. Those are trucks. They mix, carry, and pour concrete. Concrete makes buildings strong. Concrete mixers bring concrete to construction sites. What else do you think concrete mixers, or where else do you think concrete mixers bring concrete? The driver sits in the cab. A water tank is behind the cab. A big part is called the drum. The chute is in the back of the drum. Concrete is made in the drum. Sand, cement, and small rocks go in first. Water from the tank goes into the drum. Then the drum spins. It stirs the wet concrete. The truck drives to a construction site. The drum spins the whole way there. The wet concrete pours down the chute. A worker uses a tool called a hand float. This helps make the concrete smooth. How do you think a hand float helps make the concrete smooth? See? Yeah. The concrete dries. It is hard. It makes sidewalks. It makes bridges too. What else do you think concrete makes? Concrete mixers stir and spin. They make concrete and build things. Parts of the concrete mixer are the drum in the back, the chute, the water tank, which is down here, and the cab. Powder is, cement powder is mixed with water and other things to make concrete. Concrete is a strong material made of sand, cement, rocks, and water. And then construction sites are places where construction or buildings take place. And the hand float, that's this thing. It's a flat tool used to smooth concrete. The end. Okay, good night.